My name is Joshua Kim. I'm leading the working group at COBO Standard Body Activity and named MWIS, which is Multi-mode Waveguide Interconnect System. In MWIS, we are discussing about how to replace the copper traces, which is bumpy and lossy, with embedded optical waveguide like this. And to try to make this system working, you have to have certain interfaces called media adapter, which is very thin, extra EO and OE converter. And that's been wire bonded, optical wire bonded to connect each other, and then placed down on the surface to the PC board, which has already optical multimode waveguide embedded. You can see that the optical wire bonding coming out from pixel to that small optical lens system. And then the lens system does have internal waveguide. That waveguide as a whole piece is connected to the embedded optical PCB. So solderable arrays are making auto alignment of that optical interfaces together. That's the idea. And embedded optical waveguide has been discussed so much, until now, but I think now is the time that we have to, the industry ecosystem come together and work together to address the imminent power and bandwidth issues. So far, we have identified two important key components. One is media adapter, which is, again, very thin and low power consume product to convert electrical domain to optical domain. And the other is optical waveguide embedded in the PCB. That's the key components that we have to work on, but the problem is how to align with that. That's another focusing point that we have to study. So industry now is seeking after co-packaged optics or near-packaged optics. That's all interfaced with the fiber. Now we are talking about embedded waveguide that could remove that fiber so that you could shrink down your overall package sizes. That means you can squeeze down your copper traces. For example, CPO cases, they use XSR, which is 10 dB allowed. But now, using MWIS, it's going to be less than 1 dB, which could give you the result of 0.7 picojoule per bit for 100 gig cases. So it's huge amount of power savings. That means lowered optical and electrical power consumption.